about long term, but well, this is my personal question actually for you. How were you able to sustain the consistent returns? Because well, of course, as the service provider for us in Forex, we have this one account, an elite client, an elite client. He's been your client for 4 years now, and for the past 4 years, we saw the statistics that the maximum drawdown or the loss is 1%, and then you were able to, on average, you were able to get like 4%. Okay, for the past 4 years, so it's really consistent. So how were you able to do it?
Well, our community started from a vision that is to build a strong and educated investors with the goal of success. Success not only for ourselves, but to our clients as well. I believe and always say that life is unfair, but life gives us options or choices.
Time is really important, and napaka-precious na we can spend more time with our family. And I think that is one of the most valuable things that an investment can give us. It's not just about the money, it's about the time.
You should not review investment only based on return. You should review investment based on how to enter, what is the exit strategy, return, and risk. So you have to consider these 4 things.